Hey, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to set up a Slack integration with your Notion account, along with an automation that'll send you an alert in Slack every time a new page is added to this database. Let's go ahead and dive in. So navigate to your settings, and then we'll navigate to notifications, and then we'll click add new account. Quick note here, make sure that you're already logged into the Slack account that you're going to want to integrate with. And we'll click allow. And there'll be one more authentication step. We'll allow access. Okay, so now the integration between Slack and Notion is set up. Next, we'll focus on the automation, and that's just as simple. So this lightning bolt over here, we'll click on that. And I'll go ahead and delete my previous version. You won't have that, but we'll go back to that lightning bolt. And in this instance, I'd like to be notified every time a new client lands on my database. So this will be as simple as a page added. And what I'd like it to do is, of course, send me a Slack notification. And you can even select which channel you would like it to send to. I happen to have a channel for new clients. Now enable. And that's it. I'm going to run a test client through my database, and I'll show you what the Slack notification looks like. But now both the integration and automation is set up. And there we go. There's the information that was added to my database in Notion. We can see some of the information previewed here. If you'd like to view it all, you can click open in Notion, and it'll take you right back to that page/database. And there was the new page that we created. Easy as that. Hope you enjoy it. Cheers.